Hello everyone, my name is Dave Shanley and I'm a UI architect at VMware. You might remember me from last year, but probably haven't. Don't worry, it's okay, I'm quite forgettable. So who here has actually heard of VMware? Any hands? Ooh, cool, a lot more than I was expecting. Who has heard of Clarity? Oh, a couple of hands, very good. Well, for those of you who don't know, VMware is the market leader in virtualization and private cloud. We don't just virtualize desktop PCs and virtual machines to desktop, we also virtualize entire data centers. And it's not just virtual machines, we also do networking and storage as well. VMware's technology actually powers submarines, planes, ships, pretty much every single Fortune 100 company out there. It's the company that powers your bank and works under the covers when you're shopping at Home Depot. We're like kind of the invisible company. And we're here today to talk about Clarity. Clarity is our design system. But let's take a step back, actually. I just want to take a step back and say, well, why is VMware here, actually, right? So what the hell does VMware have to do with Angular? Well, actually, quite a lot. See, our products are really quite complicated. And we need to build some really heavy-duty UIs to allow our customers to interact with these products. And they go quite deep. And we've been acquiring more and more horsepower over the years, and we need a solution for this. So in order to meet these demands, we've been very heavily investing in Angular. Over the last 18 months, we've completely moved to Angular 2, Angular 4 now, and pretty much every single UI that we build is Angular-based. So we have pretty much invested everything we feel is where we want to go with UI development in Angular. And because we're investing so much, we needed to create a system that allowed us to build all of these UIs by all of these different teams in a consistent way. So we created Clarity. Clarity is our Angular 2, Angular 4 component system. It's an enterprise-grade component system for the Angular platform. But it's not just components. It's also UX design patterns, modern design patterns, as well as the CSS framework and icons. So we're trying to create an open and friendly open source project that allows everyone to build UIs in a clean, consistent fashion and a manner. So all of our UIs now are based on top of Clarity. We're so confident, as we said, we've actually open sourced it. So we have the Clarity team here today, and if you're interested in learning more about Clarity, the booth is just outside, and the guys would love to come and help you understand a little bit more about it and get you up and running with it. So we also have an NG challenge. So who here feels like they're a good coder? Who thinks they can code Angular pretty well? One person? Two people? Two people. Great. So if you do feel like you can code well and you're up to it, we have some great prizes to give away. We have licenses for Fusion and Workstation, as well as drones, as well as a grand prize of an HTC Vive. So if anyone wants to get into the virtual reality world, you can do some coding and win an HTC Vive. All you got to do is just submit your challenge. Anyone who submits gets one of these cool T-shirts. And then you get entered, the better your score, you get entered into winning the drone and the HTC Vive. So please check out our booth outside. We also have Jeremy Wilkin doing a talk tomorrow at 12:30 on interacting with Angular using your voice, which is pretty cool. And if any of you are like me and a raging alcoholic, we actually have a party tomorrow night, the Clarity Party. So if you want to get drunk, I know I do, please come along, and we have some free booze for all of you. And some free glasses, and loads of other stuff as well. So thank you very much, and enjoy the conference.